type. The standalone compact instrument for cell lines that are difficult to analyze with conventional cell counters, such as primary cells, blood cells, and PBMCs. The integrated dual fluorescent microscope optics enables sensitive and quick analysis. Cells are stained with green and red fluorescence dye. The Luna FL captures and analyzes 3 different images: bright field, green fluorescence, and red fluorescence. Within 30 seconds, total, live, dead cell numbers and concentrations, viability, cell size, and histogram data are displayed on a touchscreen LCD monitor. For situations where fluorescent integrated analysis software gives immediate viability data, counted cells can be gated based on cell size information. Particles can be easily excluded or included by simply defining the cell size in the count data. The cell counting results can be printed.
Building upon the success of the Luna cell counter, Luna 2 features a novel autofocus and newly optimized optics. Fully automated cell counting and cell viability analysis. A built-in computer and optional printer. Fully automated cell counting and cell viability analysis. Unmatched counting accuracy and speed. The most affordable running costs.